We are in the town of Fall River, Wisconsin, driving by and came past this park here. This is really something. The T-33A shooting star had a maximum weight of 15,061 pounds, the span of 38 feet 10.5 inches, a length of 37 feet 9 inches, and a height of 11 feet 8 inches. The maximum speed is 600 miles an hour. The cruising speed is 455. It could climb 4,870 feet a minute, and its range is 1,275 miles. A little windy today. I think it's about 47 degrees. Today's the 28th of April, 2023. This is pretty cool here. Never been here. Very nice park. Here next to this tree. School. Tree planted in memory of Conservation Warden Krakow, killed in the line of duty September 12, 1948 to June 5, 1990. Dad and Elsie. Andrew Krakow was a conservation warden at Montello. He was assisting the Marquette County Sheriff's Department with a domestic disturbance call June 5, 1990, when he was killed by a 13-year-old boy. He was the first officer on the scene after the boy threatened to kill his mother with a gun.